AI moves fast, faster than almost any technology before it. In this final lesson, you'll build a strategy for staying informed without getting overwhelmed. In AI, things change monthly. New tools launch constantly, capabilities improve dramatically, best practices evolve, and what was impossible last year becomes routine. If you don't stay somewhat current, you might miss tools that could help you, your skills could go stale, or you could make decisions based on outdated information. But don't panic. You do not need to know everything. You just need to understand the major developments, notice when something actually affects you, and be able to learn a new tool when you need it. That mindset takes all the pressure off. Start by choosing how much you actually want to engage based on your needs. Level 1 is casual awareness, just a few minutes per week. You read the occasional news article, notice updates from tools you use, and chat with others. That's plenty for general knowledge and personal use. Level 2 is active following, 30 to 60 minutes per week. You keep a regular newsletter or podcast, follow a few key voices, and read the occasional in-depth piece. That fits professionals who use AI regularly. Level 3 is deep engagement, several hours a week, with multiple sources, technical blogs and papers, community participation, and hands-on experimentation. That's for AI-focused professionals and enthusiasts. Most people are happiest at level 1 or 2, so pick honestly. Now, let's talk sources, starting with the easiest. Newsletters deliver curated updates straight to your inbox. The Rundown AI is a daily news digest you can read in about 5 minutes. AI Breakfast is a weekly roundup, around 10 minutes. Import AI goes deeper on technical developments, and the Neuron focuses on practical applications. Pick one to start, subscribe, see if it fits, and adjust. Podcasts let you learn while commuting or exercising. Hard Fork from the New York Times is an accessible tech discussion. Practical AI focuses on applied use. The AI Breakdown gives you short daily updates, and Latent Space goes technical and in-depth. You don't need all of them. One newsletter and maybe one podcast is a great starting point. Beyond newsletters, a few other sources round things out. On YouTube, 2-Minute Papers gives quick research summaries. AI Explained does accessible deep dives, Fireship covers fast tech updates, and Matt Wolf tracks AI tools and news. For real-time updates, most AI discourse happens on X, formerly Twitter. Official accounts like OpenAI, Anthropic AI, and Google AI are worth following, along with a few researchers and journalists you discover through your newsletter. Just be selective, because social media can get overwhelming fast. And for deeper understanding, quality websites help. MIT Technology Review does strong journalism, The Verge covers general tech, Ars Technica does technical analysis, and company blogs carry the official announcements. Mix and match, but keep it light. Now combine those into a balanced information diet. One newsletter, daily or weekly. Major news stories as they appear, official announcements from the tools you actually use, some deeper reading maybe once a month, and ongoing experimentation. That's it. Watch for signs you're consuming too much, like anxiety about missing updates, spending hours reading about AI instead of using it, learning about tools you'll never touch, or neglecting other parts of life. The fix is simple. Set limits, say 15 minutes a day. Focus on what's relevant to you. Remember that practitioners often beat observers, and it is completely okay to catch up later. Staying grounded matters more than staying on top of every headline. Turn this into simple habits. Do a weekly review of 15 to 30 minutes. Scan your newsletter for headlines. Note anything that affects you directly. Save one article to read more deeply. And try one new thing you learned about. When tools you use update, read the changelog, spot the features relevant to you, try the useful ones, and adjust your workflow if needed. But the single best way to stay current is learning by doing. Use AI tools regularly, notice when things change, and experiment with new features. To keep building, take another free course. Each one comes with a certificate. Try AI for everyday life, prompt engineering, ChatGPT for complete beginners, or AI for university students. And lean on communities on Reddit, Discord, and LinkedIn. Finally, keep an eye on where things are headed. Watch AI agents that take actions, not just answer. Multimodal AI blending text, image, audio, and video. Deeper personalization, on-device AI for privacy and speed, new regulation, and AI in your own industry. Pay attention when major companies announce something, a tool gets real traction, rules are proposed, or your workplace discusses AI policy. Remember where you started this course, when AI felt mysterious, and where you are now, genuinely AI literate. That's a valuable skill in 2026. And no matter how good AI gets, human judgment, creativity, connection, and accountability still matter. AI is a powerful assistant, but you're the one in charge. Congratulations on finishing the course. Your next step is to open the lesson page at Free Academy AI and try one of the practical exercises right now. Or bring a question to ChatGPT or Claude and put what you learned into practice. The best way to learn AI is to use AI.